Mrs. Canayan Talanya Magnaya Jamentisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Canayan Talanya Magnaya Quezon the First, what will I say is my situation during year 2019. I am already on July. When it comes on to June, I already say about my situation. There is more. I already say it. The right eye tends to assume if Alex Jr. ko is the person that pay for my tuition fee on college degree on a plastic ice. Yung, and then, what do I feel during that moment? Wonders why it is on the plastic. Wonders? I wonder why. And then, uh, usually doing, my parent is only on cafeteria and then me is the person that go at fourth floor. Let's see. Traumatization is being put year 2017 about riding vehicle towards to Asia Pacific College. I not know what it means. What the right eye is saying, boastful person. I not want to think about them. What is the effect on myself? Scare, feeling, and then not on focus, and then getting of mind. Not want them. That is during year 2017. What else? Mm, it is my first time to ride taxi alone. Year 2017, month of June. What else? Ew, Alex ko only is on my breast, not to other person. I wish talaga the bad person be dead. Assume ng assume. Getting of my own feeling. Kakadir, even the feeling of Alex ko is getting. Kin lang asawa ko. What else? The bobo camouflage, the short height. Bad person interferes on this situation. Backer of kabit number 2. They talk on my right eye during year 2023. Sabi ni uh, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri, year 2023 says to the Bobo Camouflage, ikaw nang bahala dyan, siguraduhin mong hindi yan parang siguraduhin mong hindi siya, anong tawag niya? Wait lang. Truthfulness, I say the truth. Ikaw bahala dyan. Siguraduhin mong hindi siya kakanta, sabi niya. Sabi niya, ganun. Wait. That is year 2023. Siguraduhin mong hindi siya i-interfere sa sarili ko. Kagagawin niya, something such that. I not know. In English dialect of what I say, you is the person to, wait lang. Lover Lex ko, kabit number 2, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri. I already say the word Kadiri. Why she's getting my feeling? Criminal. I'm not criminal. I'm not Kadiri. Criminal that person is. Year 2023, ew. She say to the Bobo Camouflage, uh, you handle that while I am doing something, sabi niya. Parang yun yung sinabi niya. No, no, no. Siguraduhin mo, siguraduhin mo, ikaw bahala dyan. Siguraduhin mo hindi siya kakanta. Yun yung sabi niya. Oh, I not yet saying my business idea year 2019. Myself is being focused on month, built-in Wi-Fi year 2019. Oh, in English dialect of what is being says of Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri, from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is you uh, make sure she will not talk. You handle her about her. Make sure she will not. The meaning of kakanta that is in English word sing. Make sure she will not sing. The definition of sing the is uh, make sure she will not talk. Not know why. Myself is being put on hurt in here. And then there is evening when they talk. Year 2023 on my mind, literal. And then she does not care if she talks on my mind because of she is killing me. The vibes of Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri, Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is year 2023 on my mind. She does not care, interferes on my mind because the vibes of her is killer. And then, I will talk now about June, June 2019. After minute, after minute, 1 minute or 2 minute on that talking on my mind on my right eye of Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri, Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. She say, visit, nagdaldal siya, sabi niya. In English dialecto, oh my, she talks, something such that. And then, that is the truthfulness. I am the person that is being hurt. Beside of about love life, myself as well has a life. They is killing me. Ako lang mukha mo. Hindi ka kasapi sa buhay namin. And then, uh, killer vibes she is, such as she has backer. Not know why. The next na, June. What about on June yet? Intebus. I not yet say Intebus. My Intebus subject is my start on export and import thinking process. Naman nagtutok ko. Ayan mo muna to. Ito maglalabak mamaya. Ano to? Mga ano mo to? Malabay mo to? Hindi, bago pa yan, malinis. The dialect inside of the house is Tagalog. Rarely is English. The rarely intensity 1 to 10 is 1, something such that. Nalalambigan kayo? Ang init ay ang only talks English Corina during on uh, work, DXC. Bobo camouflage is putting the intelligence of this family of myself to 10, putting it onto could not think international. That is the intensity of killer. I not know why they is such that. I will live at America. Oh, such as myself, I will live at America residents. What they're doing is killing me. Why? Because they use black magic. When they use black magic, being a gold digger, I not want black magic. Impromptu is me. I not know to my high school classmate if they use black magic, but I socialize to them for year that is. And then friends. Friends is my high school classmate. Ew. But person we did, yeah. My mother is watching. I am about to say information about Intebus, my thinking process. Mostly, that is the information about myself, details of my doing on inside of the house. I feel shocks year 2021. That is why I will talk. They interferes. I don't know why. All of a sudden, nakakaloka. So that is my start of export and import thinking process in Tebus. Country to country, and then business to business. Ayan na, the right eye is stopping me to talk because of the person that talks on my right ear. Because I talk of such as uh, hmm, about benefit. Add extra. I will talk later because my mother will watch television.
Kita naman yun yun.
You can hit that.
And I'm
Tagalog
sure,
is
baliwala na yung
15
dalawang
minutes
pinag-usapan ni
and
Dami.
25 seconds.
Do you get my drift?